Hi guys, I am with Mr. Ahmad. This is my co-worker before when I was in Jubail. So, no, we're just both same now. So we'll hang up because this is my last week here in Riyadh. Because by this coming Saturday I will be going back to Philippines for good. So Ahmad is here with me along with sister. So we just have hang up with coffee, a little bit chit chat. So where we go, Ahmad? Java. So we'll go in this Java coffee shop. According to him, this is the best coffee in this place. So see you in a bit, guys. Hi guys, we're already here in the coffee shop. So as usual, this is my friend always talking with business. Business minded, my friend. But you know, they did not give our.
You know how much we get in Sako monthly? 6.
Hi guys, paalis na kami dito sa coffee shop. So naghanap naman kami ng restaurant na makakainan namin. So sagot ni Ahmad kasi yung kain, kaya ano na lang, siya na bahala kung saan kami pupunta.
This came from Lebanon. This is policy. So each 2 years should go fly from each worker. The thing is, he can go, but he can't come back. Go and come back. This is the policy.
Because international flight, there is still no incoming.
After August, but
No assurance yet.
no, because they fly. The customer profile full visa.
Hi guys, we're already here in Wagyu. Is this restaurant or restaurant? Yeah, with restaurant.
The Wagyu is beef from China. Not China, Japan.
This is Japan. Japanese food. So we'll taste this. We'll try this food.
So this one.
So yes, Ahmad.
Burger. Or this burger, all burger. But this two.
Dito lang kami sa labas guys kasi medyo maraming tao sa loob, so mas maganda dito sa labas. Ano siya? Medyo mainit-init lang konti. Pero okay lang. Kaya lang. Ito guys, ito na yung Wagyu fries. This is Wagyu fries, no?
Yes.
Wagyu fries. So tikman lang namin guys kung gaano kasarap itong Wagyu fries.
A lot of store close in the area. Street.
In your street? Maybe a small boutique only.
No, not boutique. I mean like restaurant. Not like restaurant, grocery, not grocery. Some grocery close. Barber shop. They're not open.
Masarap guys. Mayroon siyang cheese. Marami siyang cheese.
Your area is close.
Ang pangalawang order namin guys. Ahmad, what's the name this one again? Wagyu burger. Wagyu burger. Mayroon pa siyang kasamang spring what do you call this one? Spring onions, no? Spring onions. So tikman natin kung anong lasa nito. Tikman natin to guys kung gaano kasarap tong Wagyu burger.
Only breakfast. James, where are you?
Ito guys, oh.
James already. Not James.
Terminated.
There is one guy, guy. There is one guy go Bahrain. What's his name? And there is one.
Masarap yung beef niya guys.
Because we have
Hindi siya masyadong oily.
Sahara.
He go to
Abu Dhabi.
no, there is he go to
The other one is James, the other one is Wilfred.
Maybe Wilfred, yeah.
Wilfred is still there in Dubai. But
Ah.
James,
Grabe guys, hindi ko na maubos yung isa. You know, Ahmad, I cannot able to finish the another half. Malaki kasi siya eh. Yan mo, malaki yung ano niya. So honest review, Ahmad, how's the food? Good? How about you, Chis? Good also?
Khalas, I eat.
Guys, pauwi na kami guys. Busog na kami eh. So nakapag-take away rin ng Wagyu. Ahmad, thank you for the food, Ahmad, ha?
thank you so much.
And coffee also. Thank you very much, Ahmad.
I expect same repeat.
Yeah, sure. Just let me know once you're decided. Seafood, yeah. Seafood, not an issue.